Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you numbers. There are two numbers in English. These are the singular and the plural. A noun that denotes, that shows one person or thing is said to be singular number. Example: boy, girl, bird, tree, book, pen, etc. A noun that denotes, that shows more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number, as boys, girls, trees, books, pens, etc. One thing that I would like to tell you, that generally number of common noun is changed. Number of proper noun and abstract noun does not change. Particular names of a person, place or thing like Khuti, Ranchi, Mohan, Sohan are proper noun. They do not change into plural. In the same way, the number of abstract noun like honesty, beauty, mercy does not change. So we change the number of common noun. Now you will know the rules of changing number. Unit 3, how many numbers? Look at the following picture. One boy but three boys. One bird but five birds. One egg but seven eggs. One ship but two ships. Generally, by adding s to the singular, we make plural by adding s to the singular word. For example, pen, pens, star, it should be a star, stars has been written. Star, stars, toy, toys, book, books, tree, trees. By adding es to the singular nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x and o. So you may confuse that where to use s and where to use es to make plural. For this, I would like to tell you that if a word, if a noun ends in s, sh, ch, x, o, f or fe, then add es to make plural. And if a noun does not end in s, sh, ch, x, o, f or fe, then generally s is added to make plural. So in this rule, these examples end in s, sh, ch, x and o. So these words have been changed by adding es. Class, classes, class, last letter s. So classes es has been added to make plural. Dish, dishes, box, boxes, watch, ch, so watches, brush, sh, so brushes, mango, o, so mangoes, bus, s, so buses, potato, o, potatoes, eco, ecos. There are some exceptions for o, but you will do this practice. By changing y into ies to the nouns ending in y and preceded by consonant, that means if a noun end in y and before y there is consonant, that is the letters should not be a, e, I, o, u. These are vowels. So if before y is consonant, then y change into I and es is added. For example, body, bodies. See here, body, before y, d is consonant. So y change into I and es is added to make plural. In the same way, baby, babies, y change into I and es is added to make plural. City, cities, y change into I and es is added to make plural. Lady, ladies. But by adding s to the nouns ending in y and preceded by a vowel. So this is the second rule, how to change a word ending in y. So if a word ends in y and before y there is vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u, then only s is added to make plural. For example, key, key, keys, tray, tray, trade, day, day, days, story, story. But a story, story, a story. So in a story, kahani, the last sound is y and before y is r. So y change into I and es is added. But here a story of building, before y there is e vowel. So only s is added to make plural. By changing f or fe into ves. If a noun ends in f or fe, then f or fe is changed into v and es is added to make plural. For example, live, lives, loaf, loaves. In loaf, the last letter is f, so f is changed into v and es is added. Half, halves, h, half, last sound is f, so f is changed into v and es is added. Wife, fe, so v and es is added. Live, lives. By changing the vowel sound, there are some words which are changed by changing the vowel in the middle of the word. By example, foot, f-o-o-t, foot, feet, f-e-e-t, feet. Tooth, teeth. Man, 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 man. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. So these examples, you have to memorize these examples because there are some words which change by changing the vowel. A few nouns are changed by adding en. For example, child, children, ox, oxen. So there are very few examples, so you can memorize it. And main rule is how to change by adding es, how to change by adding s. And I have told you and I am telling you again that if a noun, common noun, ends in s, sh, ch, x, o, f or fe, then es is added to make plural. If you do not find these letters in the last of a word, common noun, then generally s is added to make plural. So main rule is, there are two main rules. One is by adding s to make plural, and second rule is by adding es to plural. And there are some exceptions. For example, child, children, and somewhere only vowel is changed. For example, foot, feet. So I think you have understood, and homework is given to you. Complete from page number 18 to 21 of your practice book, unit 3. Thank you for listening.